Namaste everyone, welcome back. So today we will learn how to do Camel Pose, Ustrasana. And here we will learn how to modify the posture, because beginners it's hard to do the Camel Pose. So with modification, we will perform the Camel Pose. And also we will learn the alignment or how to get in the pose. So let's get started. So stand on the knees hips width apart. Your hip directly above the knee. So knee and the ankle in line, the top of the feet pressing. Okay? And hands on the hips. And first modification. For beginners, it's hard to reach the heels. It's hard to place your hands on your heels. So if it's hard, you can tuck your toes. So here, now it's easy to place your hands on your heels. So you can tuck your toes and then slowly chest open, one hand and another hand, and lift your chest. Make sure you're pressing the root of the toes. And second modification, if it's still hard to place the hands on your heels, then you can use two blocks. So block beside the feet or beside the ankle. And then hands on block and lift the chest high. And if it's still hard, then block outside of the calf or outside of the knee. And just press your fingertips on block and lift your chest, open your chest. Or you can hands on your hips. So this one is the best way for all the modification. And come back. And those who are dropping the heels out because of they can't press the top of the feet, they can't extend the shin bone. So what we have to do, just fold the mat. Or you can take towel like this. So here, press the top of the feet, the ankle and the shin joint in between here, and then push hips forward and lift your chest. Now it's easy to press the shin bone and look back, and one hand and another hand, and your chest fully open. If you are collapsing your chest, all the pressure goes to the lower back, which is not good. So you have to lengthen your lower back and lift your chest higher. And how to come back? Hands on hips. And slowly counter pose, Shashankasana. Fold forward. So this is the way to practice Camel Pose.